They want you to panic. They want you to pick up the phone and beg for mercy. But here's the truth. You don't owe a debt collector anything. You don't have a contract with them. They didn't lend you money. They bought your data. And now they're pretending they have power over you. They don't. No original contract, no liability. No chain of custody, no standing. No wet ink signature with their name on it, no deal. Let's be clear. Debt collectors are third parties. They are not the lender, they are not the note holder, they are not the bank. They bought a file, and now they're trying to scare you into paying something you never agreed to. UCC codes to look up. UCC 3401, UCC 9203, UCC 1103, UCC 969, UCC 308. Learn them, use them, they matter. Now let's talk about your vehicle. They want you to believe they can just take it. Tow it, repossess it, sell it, all without your consent. Wrong. Repossession without your voluntary consent or a lawful court order is theft. It's called breach of peace, and they know it. Here's what most people don't understand. If you say nothing, they take your car. If you give consent even silently, you've agreed. But if you say, I do not consent, this is a breach of peace, and you document everything, you take back the power. They cannot lawfully touch your private property without process. They can't enforce commercial code on a private person without consent. So when they call, you say, I don't consent to this call. I have no contract with your company. If you believe you have a lawful claim, show the original signed contract with your entity listed. I reserve all rights under UCC Scarf 138. I waive none. Then hang up. Silence is consent, so speak up clearly, firmly, lawfully. Most people lose by default. Not because they're wrong, because they don't know how to respond. Now you do. Thanks for listening to Dealmaker's Den. Like this video, leave a comment if you've been harassed, and subscribe for more truth about contracts, commerce, and how to defend what's yours.